All right. Thank you for sharing all those details. Moving on to some more news that we're tracking very closely. The Indian rupee has fallen to a record low. It has crossed the 90 mark against the US dollar for the first time. It depreciated by 18 paise to 90.14, setting an all-time low. This comes as the currency had been under pressure due to a combination of factors, including a strong US dollar, continuous foreign funds overflow, and a limited intervention from the Reserve Bank of India. Meanwhile, investors are also keeping an eye on the Monetary Policy Committee meeting, after which the RBI will announce its interest rate decision on December 5th, which is just days ahead of the US Federal Reserve's rate decision on December 10th. Joining us at this point in time is Dr. Sharad Kohli, senior economist. So thank you for your time speaking to us on NewsX. What exactly do you make of this development that we're tracking very closely, the fact that the Indian rupee has fallen to a record low?
Good afternoon, Sabri. Good afternoon to the viewers of NewsX. I think it is due to the pressure on the rupee because of the constant outflow of FPIs and the FIIs. These are foreign portfolio investors and foreign institutional investors who have been selling not in the stock markets. In fact, just yesterday's sale, if I count, has been more than 3,000 crores. So constant outflow that puts pressure on the rupee. And as you rightly said, the intervention of Reserve Bank of India has been very limited. I remember they intervened last when it touched 89, but now there may not have been any recent intervention unless it comes later today on this thing. And then also our import bill, Savri, seems to be going up, because not just on crude oil, although the crude oil prices are low, it is about 62 to 63 barrels, but overall imports have increased. You know, our trade deficit right now is quite high, so that is putting pressure. Plus, US dollar as a currency against the dollar, there is something called dollar index where 6 currencies are there. 4 principal currencies, I take the Japanese yen, the euro, the British pound, and the Swiss francs. Against these 4 currencies, US dollar has not been that strong. But overall against Indian rupee, I think it has been strong because of imports and FII, FPI inflows and Reserve Bank. So these are the 3 main factors which I attribute to the rupee, although the exporters should be happy, because there's only one community which is happy when the rupee becomes weak, which is the exporters. So I think their export bill goes up, their collections go up. But overall, I think I'm sure Reserve Bank of India will intervene, because it will not allow a free fall of the rupee from here, Sabri.
Right, so absolutely. With that, I'd like to thank you for joining us on NewsX, sharing